Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at the Air Design fender vents in satin black for 2021 and newer F-150s, excluding the Raptor. If you're looking to bring a bit of that trophy truck style to your F-150, these new fender vents from Air Design are going to be the way to go. These are a sleek way to change up the styling of your truck and set it apart from the pack. Now, with so many F-150s out there on the roads, differentiating your truck from the rest isn't necessarily the easiest task. And with the latest generation of trucks using pretty much the same fender trim all the way across the range, that's a great place to start differentiating your truck. Now, while these maintain the overall shape of your stock vents, they feature an open 4-slot design that's much more reminiscent of a trophy truck or other race-inspired vehicles. Now, they're finished in this satin black color and they're constructed from molded polyurethane, so they're strong and they're lightweight. With that material and coating, they're meant to stand up to the elements. Plus, I think these just look pretty cool. They've got sort of that matte black finish to it with a little bit of extra visual interest here with this grate. And the open slots also make for a more aggressive look as compared to the chrome ones that typically come on these trucks. Now, on top of that, I mentioned those grates a moment ago. This is going to allow for a bit more airflow. Since these have bigger vents than that factory fender vent, these are going to allow more air to escape, thus assisting with airflow. Now, I'm not saying that these are going to provide you with crazy downforce or anything like that, but a little extra airflow never hurt anybody, especially when it's pulling out of the engine bay. Pricing for the set here is going to come in at just about $200, making them reasonably affordable for something that's well executed, and I think it's pretty unique in the market. That's a good price for something that's definitely going to set your truck apart. Installation is going to come in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter and should really only take you about 30 minutes to get these put on. All you got to do is pop the old ones off, prep the surface with some adhesion promoter that's included in there, peel the back of this double-sided tape, and stick these right on in their spot. And to show you just how to do that, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers.
For this install, we're going to need a plastic pry bar, some non-marring prying tool, clean shop towels, isopropyl or rubbing alcohol, and the adhesion promoter that comes in the kit with the vents. We're installing these Air Design sport fender vents on a 2022 F-150. To put these vents on, the temperature needs to be above 60 degrees or you'll need to use something like a heat gun to loosen the adhesive on the stock vent. Today it's warm, so we're going to start with our non-marring plastic pry tool. Protect the fender. Just slide the tool in behind the vent to pop the clips free. Work our way around until we get clips to pop out. So all the clips are out. It's just a little adhesive strip on the back. Now that we have our stock vent off, take our new vent, test fit it. You can see it fits in the hole just fine. We're going to use rubbing alcohol and a clean towel to clean the surface for the new adhesive. Make sure there's no adhesive left from the old vent. Clean a little wider area because the new vent sticks back a lot farther on the fender. Once that's thoroughly cleaned, let that dry. Take our new vent and pull the corners back on the new tape. And drape it over the front. There we go. We have all the ends loose. Take the adhesion promoter that comes in the package with the vents and just touch the area around the hole where the new adhesive is going to sit. Take Take our new vent, set it in position, make sure that our tabs are sticking out. Looks good. Pull the backing off one side at a time. Firmly press the vent into position. And repeat on the other side.
That's going to do it here for our review and install of the Air Design fender vents in satin black for 2021 and newer F-150s. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.